me not one. 9-8, Lauren Hill said I'm a lost one. 9-1, I think Ruby, lost son. But I know that she know that we don't know where we come from. See the Pacific on my baby girl skin. Constant reminder where I've been trying to been shot. Raps in a trash can bin. As a little kid, they all took away my confidence. Got it back. Lord, why you never come save me? Reason I never pray to you no more. Y'all probably think that I'm crazy. Can you blame me? I don't wanna be praying no more. Wearing society like a white tee, dominant when command and control. Nobody drive me. I've been picking my pockets, only got lint in my palms. Starting to feel like Eric the Rock. I'm a rock. Hey, I go hard though.
Let's get it.
All I ever really wanna do is look myself inside of the mirror and look forward to mañana. Intuition, what I heavily rely upon. I used to be intuition with a capital side. God damn, he going. Just because you got eyes doesn't mean that you see it. I mean, trying to believe and try no matter what the cost. Definition of the muscle. Being ready mentally, physically. You looking and listening to the remedy. I'm lifting up the Philippine Americans who better than the boy making noise. I be definition of the hustle. I done made a double $100 and invested a couple thousand, but it ain't about the salary. I'm out in the mentality, the rich poor dad at me. You catching me? I be definition of the struggle. How the fuck am I gonna explain myself to the family if this don't pay my wealth? To my lady with school, low waste, I failed. I be definition of the rumble. Earthquaking up in California, not even the marijuana got me chillin'. I be stressing over insignificance, blood pressure heightening. I'ma end up fighting in vain. I be definition of the humble. Mapipigilan ang mga nangyayari sa mga nakalipas na dekada.